Is common in informal introductions. You can say, I'm 28, or I'm in my late 20s.
In my late 20s. That sounds nicer than 28.
Late 20s means between 27 and 29. Late means near the end.
I'm in my late 20s. I will use this. What about you, Judy?
I am in my early 30s.
Early 30s. That means between 30 and 33?
Yes, early means near the beginning. So early 30s, mid 30s, late 30s.
Very useful. Early, mid, late. I can use this for many things.
Yes, early morning, mid-afternoon, late evening.
Oh, same pattern. Early, mid, late.
Good connection. Now, what do you do? Your job or study?
I work in a design company. I am a graphic designer.
Good. 2 ways to say it. I work in a design company. Where you work. I am a graphic designer. What your job is.
The first says where, the second says what.
Exactly. And in an introduction, both are useful. You can say them together.
I am a graphic designer. I work in a small design company.
Perfect. And you can add one detail. Why do you like your job? Or what is interesting about it?
I like my job because I can be creative every day. I make things look beautiful.
That is a wonderful detail. I like my job because I can be creative. That tells people who you are, not just what you do.
The why is more interesting than the what.
Exactly right. Now, family. Tell me about your family.
Okay, I have one sister. Her name is Anna. She is younger than me. She is 24.
Good. I have one sister. Her name is Anna. She is younger than me. Very clear. And your parents?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches primary school, small children, and my father is a mechanic. He works with cars.
Good. And you can add one small detail about each person if you like, something that makes them memorable.
My mother is a teacher. She is very patient, very kind. My father is a mechanic. He loves cars more than anything in the world.
More than anything?
He talks to his cars. He gives them names.
He gives his cars names?
Yes, his current car is called Blue Monster.
Blue Monster. That is wonderful.
My father is a character.
A character? What do you mean?
A character is a person who is very interesting, very special, someone you remember. My father is that kind of person.
And small details like that, they make an introduction much more interesting. Not just facts, but personality.
So I don't just say, my father is a mechanic. I say, my father is a mechanic who loves cars so much he names them.
Yes, now people remember your father and they remember you.
I will add personality to my introduction.
That is the secret of a good introduction. Now, pets. Do you have any pets, Jake?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Tell me about Max.
Max is a medium-sized dog, brown and white. He is very energetic, very happy. He jumps when he sees me.
Energetic means full of energy, always moving, always excited.
Yes, Max is always excited, even at 7 in the morning. I am half asleep, and Max is already jumping and running.
Max sounds wonderful.
He is the best. He makes every day better.
And if you don't have a pet, what do you say?
You just say, I don't have any pets.
Yes, simple. Or, I don't have a pet, but I love dogs. That shows your personality too.
I love dogs, even if they wake me up at 7.
Especially if they do. Now, hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music.
Good. I like listening to music. Or, I enjoy listening to music. Remember, enjoy is a little stronger than like.
I enjoy listening to music. Yes, that is true. I really enjoy it.
What kind of music?
Rock music, old rock, and jazz sometimes.
Good detail. I enjoy listening to music, especially rock and jazz.
I also like watching movies, comedy movies, action movies.
Good. I like watching movies. I especially like comedies and action films.
And I like going for walks. Not long walks, short walks. In the park with Max.
I enjoy walking in the park with my dog. One sentence, clear and nice.
I can also say I enjoy cooking, even though I'm not a very good cook.
We remember from episode 3, the pasta soup.
Yes, the pasta soup, my most creative dish.
You can say, I enjoy cooking even though I'm still learning. That's honest and charming.
Honest and charming. I like that.
And what about things you don't like? This is also part of who you are.
I don't like waking up early.
That is very honest and very relatable.
I am not a morning person at all.
You can say, I'm not really a morning person. The word really makes it sound more natural, less aggressive.
I'm not really a morning person. Yes, that sounds friendly.
And is there a food you don't like?
I don't like olives. I cannot eat them. The taste is too strong for me.
I don't like olives. The taste is too strong for me. Good. You explain why. That makes a conversation.
If I just say, I don't like olives, the conversation stops. But if I say why, the other person can respond.
Exactly. Oh, really? I love olives. And suddenly you have a real conversation.
Likes and dislikes open conversations.
Yes, they connect people or show interesting differences. Okay, Jake, now let's put it all together. Give me your complete introduction, everything we practiced.
Everything? Right now?
Yes, take your time. I am listening.
Okay. Here I go. My name is Jake. I'm originally from Poland, but I live in London now. I'm in my late 20s. I'm a graphic designer. I work in a small design company, and I like my job because I can be creative every day. I have one sister called Anna. She is younger than me. My mother is a teacher, and my father is a mechanic who loves cars so much he gives them names. His car is called Blue Monster. I have a dog named Max. He is brown and white and very energetic. He makes every day better. In my free time, I enjoy listening to music, especially rock and jazz. I like watching movies, mostly comedies and action films, and I enjoy walking in the park with Max. I'm not really a morning person, and I don't like olives. The taste is too strong for me. That is me.
Jake, that was wonderful.
Really?
That was a complete, natural, interesting introduction. You gave facts, you gave personality, you gave details that people remember.
The Blue Monster helped.
It really did. People will always remember Blue Monster.
And now, Judy, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Judy. I'm originally from Taiwan, but I have lived in many different cities. Right now, I live in a small, cozy apartment. I am in my early 30s. I am an English teacher. I love my work because I meet people from all over the world every day. Teaching is not just a job for me, it is my passion. I have one younger brother. He is funny and kind. My parents both love nature. My mother grows vegetables in her garden, and my father loves hiking in the mountains. I don't have a pet, but I love cats. I hope to have a cat one day. In my free time, I love reading, mostly novels and stories. I also enjoy cooking. I find it very relaxing. And I love walking. No headphones, just thinking. I don't like being late. It makes me feel very uncomfortable. And I don't really like hot weather. I prefer autumn and cool days. That is me.
Judy, that was beautiful. I feel like I know you so much better now.
That is the goal of a good introduction. The other person feels, I know you. I understand you.
It's not just information, it's a little piece of yourself.
Yes, a good introduction is a gift. You share a little of who you are. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, review time.
Name.
My name is Jake, or I'm Jake. Formal or casual.
Where from and where you live.
I'm originally from Poland. I live in London now. From is past, where I was born. Live is now, where I am.
Age.
Early, mid, late. I'm in my late 20s.
Job?
I am a graphic designer. What you are, I work in a design company. Where you work.
Family?
Names, relationships, one small personality detail.
Pets and hobbies?
1 or 2 sentences. Be specific. I enjoy listening to rock music. Not just, I like music.
And likes and dislikes?
I don't really like waking up early. Opens conversation, shows personality.
And remember the golden rule.
Details make introductions interesting. Facts tell, details connect.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
And now I have my introduction ready for real life.
Use it this week.
I will, starting with the barista at my coffee shop.
A perfect first audience. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Introducing yourself is one of the most useful skills in English.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And give this episode a like. It helps us reach more learners.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us about yourself. Write 2 or 3 sentences in English, your name, where you're from, and one thing you like.
We would love to read your introductions. We really would.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.